All right, we got an H15 Mini X, new unused. Pilot controls, got the foot controls for the auxiliary hydraulics and the blade. It's a super nice unit right here, gas powered engine, very easy to operate. Makes your digging much more enjoyable than the shovel, that's for sure. So we're gonna fire it up real quick, give you a quick demo, and then you can come check it out on preview day. 16-inch bucket, 39-inch backfill blade. It's got the LED lights, got the lockout switch. Alright, that's a quick demo. Come check it out Friday, the day before the sale. We'll be around all day, 9 to 4. And any questions in the meantime, just let us know. Thanks for watching.